Expo StatusBar is used to control the appearance and behavior of the system status bar. That's the bit at the top of the screen that shows time, battery, signal strength, etc. To use this library, import the status bar and render it anywhere as part of the screen. The style prop lets us set the color of the text within the status bar. Here we have it set to dark, to have black text which shows up great in a light background. But if the background was dark, we'd want the status bar text to be light, and we can configure this using the style prop. We can also add the animated prop, which will animate the transitions between the styles. There's also an adaptive option. Generally, this is used when your app has different theming for light and dark mode. So if the user has dark mode enabled on their phone, the status bar will render white text. And if dark mode is disabled, it will render black text. To make the status bar switch between these automatically, set the style to auto. And of course, there may be scenarios where you don't want to show the status bar at all, and this can be done with the hidden prop.